All right, just to let you know, there was a bit of a mistake in the ending the last part of the previous video. So what I should have done is to use this shell sudo to use the root login. So I'm going to use a shell here -I, and it's going to ask me for the password. Alright, then I'm going to use my license at this point and everything should run smoothly. So I'm going to pause this part again. Alright, sorry, I have got to cover some part of this license key. As I said, I'm not going to be editing anything. I want everything to be raw and straightforward. I don't want to hide any information. I've just put in my license key now and hit on enter, and it's already log me in, gave me some extra information, and I just need to click on type Y on my keyboard. Sorry, has begun. Now here it's asking me, please enter a fully qualified host name, and this could be host.example.com. It could be whatever you think you're comfortable with. In this for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be using example.org. And the installation has begun again. It's running. You can see the progressive bar. I'm going to pause this process, and because this is going to take a while, probably around 10 minutes to complete, and I will pause it and put it on at every interval. It's currently at stage 2. If you can see, sorry, you can see my finger on the screen. There are about 3 stages. Step 1 is completed, and now step 2. And while you're doing all of this, you need to ensure that you have uninterrupted connectivity to the internet. So if you're on Wi-Fi, I would suggest that you should use Ethernet cable. Because different kind of wireless interference can disconnect your connection, so it's better to have a dedicated channel. So currently I'm using Ethernet cable. I'm going to pause this side for a while. Now it's installing the webmin, usermin, fail to ban. Now it's completed and successful, as you can see. Installation complete. Now if I had not configured the postfix earlier on, going into the file system, this would have failed and I would have had to delete everything and start all over again, but this has now been successful. And there's another thing I'm going to do later on, which is to create a file for the proclaim, the procmail, which I'm going to be using for the spam and antivirus filtering capability in Vitualmin. I'm going to do that in a moment. So basically, this is how to install your Vitualmin, which is the server management application system that will enable me to be able to manage and move my files into the server. The next stage of this video will be the backing up of your website from your current host and now moving it down into the Vitualmin, and I'm going to be launching the Vitualmin interface. If you look on the bottom here, just right at the bottom, it's already giving me the link to the Vitualmin, so I'm going to be making use of this. Should be able to